Welcome to Module 10, Developmental Issues, Prenatal Development, and the Newborn. For the purposes of this module, we are only going to focus on developmental issues, and we will not be covering the prenatal development or the newborn. Module 10.1. What three issues have engaged developmental psychologists? Developmental psychology is a branch of psychology that studies physical, cognitive, and social change throughout the lifespan. It focuses on three major issues. The first is nature and nurture. How is our development influenced by the interaction between our genetic inheritance and our experiences? The second is continuity and stages. What parts of development are gradual and continuous, and what parts change abruptly in separate stages? And the third is stability and change. Which of our traits persist and which change through life? Nature is our unique gene combination. It is responsible for our shared humanity and our individual differences. Nurture, quite simply, is our experiences. It is the influence of family, peers, and our environment. We are formed by the interaction of nature and nurture, which is the biological, psychological, and social-cultural forces and how they interact. Researchers see development in two ways, depending on whether they emphasize experience and learning or focus on biological maturation. It could be continuous, as in learning, where development is a slow, continuous process. Or it could be in stages or steps, as predisposed genetically. Progress through various stages may be quick or slow, but everyone passes through the stages in the same order. Research reveals that we experience both stability and change throughout our lifetime. Some characteristics, such as our temperament, are stable across the lifespan, and some characteristics, such as attitudes, are less stable, which is due to high influences from our environment.